Hello friends, I have ODB car GPS tracker from Gearbest. This is page where I bought it. Here is tracker. The box. Manual. I have SIM card. Not easy put inside. The tracker starting. Just wait. Problem number 1. No English manual. I try to guess few commands. Problem number 2. As you see in descriptions, here is written real-time vehicle tracking. Seller do not provide any service and no tracking web page. Problem number 3. Can locate and get position of your vehicle remotely via GPRS. There is no possibility to do that without applications, and no applications in the manual. Problem number 4. Support functions of map location engine. That functions didn't work by SMS. Problem number 5. SMS answers is only in Chinese language, and no possibility to change that. Problem number 6. Speed limitation is operation, but move alert is not.